Hey there, Cash App users. Have you ever encountered the dreaded Cash App sponsor request limit reached message? This can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to handle your finances smoothly. But don't worry, we're here to help you learn how to fix Cash App sponsor request limit reach so you can get back to managing your transactions effortlessly. In this guide, we'll walk you through some practical steps to resolve the issue and potentially prevent it from happening again. Understanding the sponsor request limit. Cash App has certain limits in place to protect users and ensure secure transactions. These limits can affect various activities like sending or requesting money and, in this case, sponsor requests. Reaching the sponsor request limit might occur if you're using Cash App for transactions that exceed the stated limits or if you've made multiple requests in a short period. Step 1. Verify your account. The first step towards fixing the sponsor request limit issue by providing additional information such as your full name, date of birth, and the last four digits of your social security. By providing additional information such as your full name, date of birth, and the last four digits of your social security number, you can increase your transactional limit. After verification, Cash App allows higher limits for sending and receiving money, which might resolve the sponsor request issue. Step 2. Wait for the reset period. If you've hit the limit, sometimes all you need is a bit of patience. Cash App has reset periods after which your limits might automatically increase. It's important to check when your reset period starts and ends. In the meantime, try to minimize your activity on Cash App to avoid hitting other limits. Step 3. Contact Cash App support. If waiting it out isn't solving your problem, reaching out to Cash App's support team can be a great move. They have access to your account details and can provide personalized guidance to help you resolve the issue. Contacting support is easy through Cash App by navigating to their support section. Explain your situation clearly and they'll guide you on the best steps to take. Step 4. Monitor your transaction. One key factor in avoiding limits is keeping a close watch on your transactions. Regularly review your sending and receiving activity to ensure you're not approaching the limit. This habitual monitoring can prevent you from inadvertently exceeding limits and encountering this issue again. And Step 5. Educate yourself on Cash App's policy. Understanding Cash App's terms and conditions can save you from encountering unexpected limits. Familiarize yourself with their user agreement so you know what activities might trigger limits or even account restrictions. This proactive approach ensures you're always in compliance with their rules. The Cash App sponsor request limit reached message doesn't need to halt your financial transaction. By verifying your account, waiting out reset period, contacting support, monitoring your transactions, and educating yourself on Cash App's policies, you can navigate this problem with ease. Remember, keeping abreast of your transaction activity and understanding Cash App's guidelines will ensure you have a smooth experience with the app. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to managing your finances freely and effectively. Happy transacting.